Hello there, two-stroke turbo fans. Welcome back to the channel. My name's Mark. This is my shop dog Stella. You've seen her on a lot of the films I produce, or I should say videos. It's pouring down rain outside, so her coat is all wet. She was out laying in the sun, and all of a sudden, thunderstorm rolled in. What are we talking about? Thunderstorms? This is thunder and lightning. Sparkly little Berkeley. You can see we've got a little more aesthetic things done to the Berkeley since the last time I pictured it. We got our license plate on. I do have a title for this car, and I put the plate on because finally it's being, or potentially, road worthy. I gotta do something with the steering wheel. I cannot get in and out of this car very well. I've got to get a quick release thing on there, and I do have a windshield now. It took me a while to cut down a piece of plexiglass to fit it in there, polish the stainless steel trim. It looks pretty good. It's not completely bolted down yet, but it's there. And so we've got some wind wings on the side, just little ones, kind of nice. We have a mount for a rear view mirror, which is nice. We've got a brown seat. We've got a wooden steering wheel, a little bit of some dash illumination gauges. And we're getting there. We got some stuff. And then let me show you on the front here. I've got some turn indicators on here. I'm in the process of figuring out how to mold the front back. And I don't know if you guys recall, but when I bought this car, this was all chunked off. There was nothing here. So I hand formed this by eye. And if you look really close, I got one turn signal. It's kind of pointing straight out like it should. That's the good side. This one's pointing up too much. So I'm gonna have to redo this and bring this up a little bit, but I needed a baseline. So I've been kind of playing with the aesthetics, but these are LED dual functions. So they have turn signals and running lights. I want this thing to be seen. It is so small and there's so many big trucks on the road. I need energy efficient lighting. It doesn't suck all the power from a battery, so I went with LEDs. They're a little bigger than what was stock. So they look kind of bulky, but I want to be seen, and that's important. So next up is the headlight covers, is fixing the body, is the nose, is the hood, is the paint. There's a lot of stuff. I did order some of the taillights that are the exact same size. I do have the original glass ones, which are brand new. They're actually real glass, but they're not very visible. They're dark, they're tinted. And I'm not happy with those. I do like those LEDs, and I think that's going to make this thing stand out. So, Stella, it is the end of the day. It's time to go home. And in fashion, as I always do, oh, give me a yawn. That means you're happy. We're going to go home. We're going to brave the storm, and we're going to try to have sweet dreams tonight about our Berkeley car. I think that's what we're going to do. See what else we can do. We're not going to do a top, but we need to make it look good, stop good. I'm thinking about silver accents on the rims there to go with all the chrome, and maybe gold wheels, gold hubs. I don't know. We'll see. But the seed has been planted. And as they say, one step forward, two steps back. Let's keep working on this thing. Let's make it a real car.